story?
Who write the story?
Who write?
Now
that your partner, that your company.
Yeah,
okay.
me and my friend with the company. I just named the company Orbit Imagery. So we come together, we come the right time. But I tell them, say, we must hire professional screenwriters.
Okay.
So after we write the first one, we can't drop them down. Okay, Master talk, say, Film House Cinemas.
Yeah.
They get division where they call Film One.
Okay.
Film One distribution, production distribution.
Okay.
So we submit the script to them because they say they look for a script where they will do co-production. So when we drop the script for them, they say they like and well. You know, so they can't agree more, bring professional screenwriters to come still write, just touch,
to smooth
them up. So long story cut short, 2 screenwriters were hired to do the job. While we wrote before then,
Okay. How you take come up with the concept of it? How you take come up with how you take reasons? Okay, this one go be like this.
Yes,
this one go be like this.
And
what Nigerians go like?
How you Nigerians really like?
How you take come up with that?
Okay, one be say I don't come from Lagos. I think I've just been maybe officially 4 years in Lagos. Yeah. So the first place I worked was Lagos Island. And I liked the energy, the feel, the vibrancy. Yeah. So as an artist now, you always pick from your environment. So I said, I want to make a film about Lagos. So I remember then somebody said, what part of Lagos? Because Lagos, there are different sides.
Lagos get different parts.
I can't think and say, okay, if person want to do film, okay, I would like to do film where at least we'll see every part of Lagos inside the film. See where they go. So I can't say, okay, I say the person go day inside car. They move, go they see the Lagos. Then you get one Oyibo film where really inspire me when I did film school. And that film, na Taxi Driver.
Yeah, that Taxi Driver.
Old school taxi driver. So I really like the film, really influenced me. So I can't say I want to do like homage. I want, show my appreciation for that film with this film. So I can't say, okay, Taxi Driver, I'll do Taxi Driver. But we'll continue on to Oko Asewo because now that name they call Taxi Driver for Lagos. So now so we can't just the build them, they go, we can't say, okay, now yellow car. We can't say which kind of car where everybody go feel relate with. 504. So now make sure we can't use 504. We can't say, okay, this car no go just day like that. As now Lagos, we'll put something of Lagos for the car. You can't put that Ayo. Can't put Ayo for the bonnet. So at least anybody will see the car go no say, okay, this not Ayo now Lagos. You understand? So now so we just do. I'm just the developer.
From the concept, from this thing, when the idea begin come together till when I finish, how long?
Okay, concept like 1 year. Yes, 1 year. Then we shot for 2 weeks, post-production 3 months, then film came out November last year. Yeah.
My brother, and you are happy with coming
my
out
brother, you're own good. Thank God for the film. You not be like all those film where they go say, Bia, chokode, Makata, Bia, na Makata the call so, Bia chokode. Nah, I need that fame. Genevieve, no, not Genevieve. Genevieve, her money is too much. Look for Mercy Johnson. Yes, she's in every film. Look for her.
Then look for one sweet person from that side. Look for Nse.
Look for Nse. Please, okay. Let me tell you how the movie is going to be. You are going to be working. You should work small, it's 3 hours film. Work small. Before the thing happen, they don't go sets.
They don't do part 2, part 3,
part 2, part 3, part 4. That's nonsense.
But even this one, when we did do them, writing a very difficult thing. So at some point, we can't get date when they want to release the film. Because as film one come on board, they tell us, say, this film must be ready by this time.
Okay.
So we still because they don't bring in people who could develop the script proper. So you get where we reach one point, and many things can happen. We can say, okay, it's more leave this part like this, more do one like this, more do one like this, more do one like this, so that we can meet that date. But the whole idea be say, na comedy. So when you do inside comedy, everything cannot be real and serious. And you understand?
Exactly.
Everything not supposed to make sense. But we just do and say, okay, if people watch this film, they go say they never see Yoruba film like this.
Never see Yoruba film like this.
Never see Nigerian film like this. So they go expect more next time. Because next time it's always better. It don't be like you show me waiting line now, the shot. So waiting line and this one, there's a big difference. So the next one will always be different.
You don't plan Oko Asewo too?
No, I don't want to do Oko Asewo again because this film na 9 we shoot too. Everything at night.
But they give better money, you go do.
You know, go
better
do
dollars
Oko
now.
Asewo too.
You go do Oko Asewo part 2.
Wow.
Like how much? Just
like let me see, small money. Like
small money.
Small money like $3 million.
Yes.
$3 million. That's equivalent to like 600. That's a lot of money.
You know, go do Oko Asewo. Oh yeah,
My brother. Part 2, part 3, part 4, part 12.
That's a lot of money.
We will die on the Oko Asewo.
That's a lot of money.
My brother, me self go ask for the Oko Asewo.
That's a lot of money, probably.
Is it probably? My brother, I go start for Nigeria, please do it part 12. Go America, shoot again. Go India.
in India. In something.
But you know, say now the proper Nigerian film.
Yes.
Go be Oko Asewo in Abuja.
Yes.
Oko Asewo in Owerri.
I'm telling you.
Oko Asewo goes to abroad.
Yes, that's the money.
Not so.
Yes,
But not true.
But not so. Our Nigerian film. Now, may I ask you, because you now 1 year when you take write that movie.
Yes.
That's this song where they blow. Hello, is it me?
Hello,
Adele.
From the other side.
Hello from the other side. One of the evil part, I don't know. 6 months. But you don't think that song. Hello
Yes,
from
sir.
the other side. What be the other side? Maybe now people don't die. I don't know. But leave that song. 6 months. Nice you take write that song.
6 months.
Imagine that.
6 months.
6 good months.
You know how that song don't blow.
You know how that song don't
That song don't break every record.
All the
Every
record.
day available.
So
As in
everybody
break all
don't jump on the
records.
song. Say I want to do my fashion, my fashion.
It break
Now me and
every
Nedu
record.
never do our
Every
fashion.
record.
You know how many
Every
people don't do? Every country artist they do
Yes.
their own version of Adele.
Yeah.
Oh, now when something when you put time, take do. See this taxi driver now. What are you talking about?
Una send us tweet message if una don't watch Oko Asewo Taxi Driver. Send us una
Send us what you think about the movie.
What do you think about the film? When you watch am, wetin stand out? What be your experience on top the film at W Night Show?
You say you can't do it.
No, you know, people who don't watch the film, they can't talk, say, because now mostly Yoruba, we can't do the subtitle for Pidgin.
Okay.
So people will go cinema, they can't say, see, they never see film where they do for Pidgin, this, that. I can't tell them, say, okay, one thing when they first talk, they say, say, why not Yoruba film? I say, okay, waiting Yoruba taxi driver they talk. Which kind of language? They speak English. Not be Yoruba they speak.
And most taxi drivers
Most of them are Yoruba, you understand? Then they go, they relate with their passenger with Pidgin.
With Pidgin,
So now so we do them. That was one.
So that you go get that feel.
Then they can say, okay, why Pidgin English subtitle? Now I say, so that you'll get that sweetness of what they talk.
Get the
You understand?
the
And
ginger.
Our number one audience, the Nigerian audience. And we dey understand Pidgin, our main, at least Pidgin cross board.
Yes.
Because the film sell well for Calabar, sell well for Enugu. Because Pidgin. Everybody can relate with Pidgin. You understand?
Everybody when they do smash.
Nah, Pidgin. We know where we come from.
We know where we come from. Forget. Not be that girl. For the taxi. Come here, come from English that time. We know where we come from. All these guys, where they Snapchat, they Instagram, everywhere.
We know what's up.
We know what's up.
We know what's
They come the farm smash. Now, another thing again. How many nominations? I been time never reached for nominations for taxi driver.
We don't get one for AMVCA.
AMVCA, wow. Wow, for
best indigenous film.
You must win.
Yoruba.
Yeah,
So I beg go, Muna vote. I be Muna help us vote.
How do they go?
Nah, we call them Africa Magic.
African Magic Video Awards.
Africa Magic Viewers Choice Awards.
Viewers Choice Awards.
AMVCA. If you even just Google AMVCA, I beg Muna vote for us. I beg when I don't watch the film, I beg Muna help us.
And if there's another film where you do,
yes,
make we watch a clip of that film. We don't go talk the name. When we come back, so that you will understand that we are CIA.
We follow you. We are monitoring spirits into your life.
Into your life.
Yes.
Where we go.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.